government of Kisii, all protocols observed. First and foremost, let me take this earliest opportunity to thank His Excellency Paul Simbaransi Arate, who is the Governor, Kisii County Government, for honoring me by nominating me from among very serious competitors, which has culminated into the ceremony we are attending today. To the congregation, I pledge that I will perform my duties diligently with faith, honesty, accountability, and transparency. During my tenure, I will ensure that we have developed an interwoven relationship with all board members, my secretary, and the vice chair to ensure serious service delivery to our beloved county. Let me thank all of you who have attended this function. I'm not taking it for granted, for you have taken your time to be with us. On my behalf, my wife and my children, can you stand and wave? This is my family, and also let me thank you for allowing me to serve in this capacity. Because if they refused, I could have not applied. Thank you so much, Your Excellency. I'm a team player and I work to the expectations of this country. Thank you.